Hi guys, my name is Umar. Welcome back to World TV's videos. Today we talk about Nepal. Nepal is a beautiful country with never-ending stunning landscape and charismatic mountains and mesmerizing lakes with a wide variety of flora and fauna in the country. Nepal is known for its mild beauty and its nature beauty. Moreover, Nepal is also rich in endangered plants and species. Some of the rarest animals like the one-horned rhino and the Bengali tiger and their national flower. The nature and wildlife of Nepal are immensely rich. The Himalayas is the largest mountain chain in the world that stretch over 3,500 kilometers across Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan and China, and the major part of that majestic mountain range lies in Nepal. Nepal is the only country in the world with a non-rectangular flag, making it triangle very unique. Nepal is a multi-ethnic, multilingual and multi-religious country that boasts unity in diversity. It has over 80 diverse ethnic groups residing in this country with harmony and peace, who speaks more than 123 local languages. So hope you like the video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification for my new video. Take care, have a nice day.